To repair a damaged skin, we're going to be needing tomato. Now, tomato is a great remedy that helps so much in repairing the skin because it contains an ingredient that helps to lighten up the skin. It removes all unwanted hair, it removes pigmentations, and it also helps to brighten up the skin, so it will glow and polish up your skin. Tomato. Alright guys, so to make this better, I'm gonna be blending the tomato. So I'm gonna be cutting that into pieces. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go blend this and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my blended tomato and I'm gonna be taking in 2 tablespoons of that into the bowl, and then we're gonna be going in with egg. Now, egg is one almighty skin tightener. It closes up a large and open pores. It makes the skin glow, and it's also a remedy for oily skin. Okay, so if you're prone to acne, dark spots, you're gonna be needing egg whites a whole lot. Okay, so to extract this, I'm gonna be opening it up. I'm gonna be putting in the egg whites. And now we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is an ingredient that helps for the damaged skin because it removes sunburns, irritations, and it's also a great moisturizer. It helps for wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps for dark spots. Then we're going to be needing half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Into the treatment. So we're gonna be making use of Fuller's Earth clay powder. Fuller's Earth clay powder is made for wrinkles and fine lines, such problems as age spots and pigmentation. So it's going to get rid of all of that, and it's going to repair the damaged skin, make your skin glow and beautiful. Putting in the Fuller's Earth powder, half teaspoon also. Then to make it all very beautiful, we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is an almighty remedy for the skin, hair, and also for the body. So it therefore moisturizes the skin and remove fine lines, pigments, and irritations. Then just a little quantity of the coconut oil would go a long way. Alright, so now I'm going to be blending all of this up. And it's gonna be looking somewhat like this. So I have to mix it really well with the egg whites. Okay, for this treatment you don't have to store it, guys. Okay, so whenever you want to apply it, you have to use it. You can use it 2 times in a week, and then if you want to go to occasion and you're seeing that your skin is actually looking rough, damaged, and wrinkled, then you can use this, repair it all up, and it's going to be looking really glowing, sumptuous, and shiny. Okay, Okay, so here's the treatment, and this is what it's looking like. Very beautiful down there. Okay, so you have to grab the treatment and then you apply it onto your face, just like that. Smells good though, but with the egg in it, it doesn't make it smell super, but it doesn't smell bad. Alright, so after applying, then you can actually just give this a scrub, a little scrub, just a little scrub, okay? Not too much. When you're scrubbing your face, you don't scrub too much, okay? So that you don't bruise your skin. Okay, so after scrubbing, then you can go wash it off. Now you have to wash it off with the toilet soap because you don't need the smell of the egg, okay? Okay, so after doing that, I'm gonna be using just a little bit of the toilet soap and then I'll rinse it off. Alright guys, so that's it, and if you do love the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video, and I'll catch you soon in my next video tomorrow. Bye guys, and share the video.